Good morning to one and all. Well, quizzing has become a tradition in Sanawar. But have you ever thought of, or imagined, or I would like to say, have you tried to quiz yourself about the word quiz itself? Where does this word come from? Okay, the story goes like this. A Dublin theatre proprietor named Richard made a bet that he could, within 48 hours, make a nonsense word and public would supply a meaning. By the evening, he gave the word QUIZ and told his staff to write it on the walls around the city. People started coming up with various meanings like odd or eccentric person, toy like yo-yo, and to question or to interrogate. The most common word which we use even today is for a kind or a type of entertainment based on a test of a person's knowledge. Even these difficult times of COVID-19 could not stop us to reach out to you all. And as I said before, it is our tradition and also our never given motto, which makes many of us go one step ahead and make things happen. So here we are presenting our first ever virtual science, maths, and computer quiz. Also, you must be aware that today is the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the first Deputy Prime Minister and the Home Minister of India. It is being celebrated as National Unity Day. Sardar Patel was the person who, with his logic, reasoning, strong conviction, and skillful articulation, made our country, our India, as one India or one nation. And hence, the largest democracy of the world came into existence. So we dedicate this edition of our Science, Math and Computer Quiz to Sardar Patel as our salutation to the great personality. There is a dedicated quiz round on Sardar Patel ji for the audience at the conclusion of this quiz. And also here we present a short documentary on Sardar Patel to start with. Please watch, try to recognize and appreciate the great contribution of this great son of the soil. Now, I would like to invite our worthy headmaster, Mr. Himmat Singh Dhillon, to address us all and encourage the students.
Good morning. Today is a very important day. It's the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This is a day now known as National Unity Day. Now, everyone here, I'm sure, understands the importance of a strong country, of a united country, and a nation that is enlightened. Today, I'm very happy that we are celebrating this as a school in a free, independent, and civilized nation. A big thank you to our heads of faculty, our dean of faculty, and a special appreciation goes out to our maths department, our science department, and our computers department for this quiz. Well done. Throughout the day, we will have many competitions for the students. Amongst these are an art competition, and there will also be essay writing competitions in different languages. Now, dear students, I'm reaching out to you from your school, and I want to say, whichever form you're in, whichever grade you're in, you are part of India, and we are very lucky to be in an independent and united nation. So keep in mind that the unity, the integrity, and the security of our country is important, and even students are very much a part of the nation, and upholding this is very much in the realm of a student's life. After all, the students of today will be the leaders of tomorrow. And please keep in mind, this is not an ordinary school. This is a school with a glorious history, and we must build on that. The glory, the good things of the last 173 years, dear students, is the foundation that you will build your own lives on and also power a new India. Today, we salute all our servicemen, all our units, whether of the Air Force or the Navy or the Army, whether the police forces or the civil services. We honor all service personnel who are doing their duty, and we thank each and every one of them for their service to the nation. Dear students, if you and I are able to sleep peacefully at night, it is because there is someone who is doing their duty at some post, whether in Siachen, whether in the Thar Desert, or whether in the jungles of Eastern India. It doesn't matter. The fact is, someone is doing their duty for us. Today, we thank all those who are serving us. Thank you for your service. And we take a pledge that the unity, integrity, and honor of our country will come first each and every time, always. And please send this message to all those who you know who are serving the nation. Many of you are from families where your father, sometimes even your mother, is part of the forces, part of the services. So say thank you to them for their service, and all colleagues of your parents who are doing their duty, thank them today. Take that opportunity. And whether student or faculty or support staff here, we are always there to support every citizen who is doing their duty. Never given. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your motivating words and patronage. Now, I will hand over the proceedings to Mrs. Anuradha Sharma our quiz mistress for the day.
Good morning, everyone. It is my proud privilege to share with you all that for selection of SMC Quiz 2020, screening test was conducted. Large number of students took the test. It was neck-to-neck race. Out of these, the 12 participants were the top rankers. Let me introduce you to our participants for SMC Quiz 2020. So all the participants, please switch off your cameras. You will only switch on when your name is announced. So from Himalaya House, Kripang Kashyap. So here is Kripang Kashyap, Lakshay Thakur, Kavya Agarwal, from Nilgiri House, we have Sirat Sandhu, Shivaditya Singh Rathore, Roshan Raj, from Shivalik House, Yakshita Bansal, then we have Anuvak Chetri, Daksh Chopra. From Vindhya House, Priyam Gupta, Puru Manjre, and last but not the least, Tanushka Sharma. I would also like you to introduce to my team. Our team members are Mr. Subhash Thakur, Dr. Gautam Mandal, Mr. Mayank Srivastava, Mr. Mani Sankar Barik, Mr. Dinesh Sabrawal, Mr. Ghai, Mr. Ashish. Above all the three heads of faculty, Mr. Amit Behlu, Mr. R.P. Gautam, Mr. Jamwal. Along with them, we have different observers who are going to observe the teams. Mr. Mayank Srivastava will be observing Shivalik House, Mr. Ravinder Kanwar, Himalaya House, Mr. Deepak Pant, Nilgiri House, and Mr. Deepak Sharma, Vindhya House. So here are the rules and regulations for the quiz 2020. All the participants will keep themselves on mute. You will unmute when question will be asked from your team. Once your team turn is over, please mute yourself. For every correct answer, you will get 10 points. There is no pass the question facility. You will be asked to choose your option of the question. One team member can be deputed for it who can choose. It should be spoken clearly so that it is audible. Your chosen question will be flashed on your screen. It will be read out. Time clock will start after reading is over. Whosoever knows the answer can just raise the hand and speak, "I know the answer." You will be given chance to speak. Prefer to speak within given time. One answer that is first given will be accepted. There is no negative marking, so try your luck in every question. Be specific in your answers. Rules will be repeated before every round as time and points vary in few rounds, so you will be explained about it. The season of the quiz mistress will be final. Any query, children? All right, that means everything is clear. So may the best team win. All the best. Let's quiz. If nobody has said anything, that means my voice is clear and audible to you. So the very first round is appetizer round, as you can see. And this round has two parts. It is basically MCQ round. It's a warming up round. Each question has 4 choices. You will get 10 points for the right answer, and time to answer will be 15 seconds. So I hope everyone is ready. So first turn is for Himalaya House to choose their question. Himalaya House?
Ma'am, we would take question number 1.
Question number 1. Okay. So in a study, which cells are found in COVID-19 patients bode well for long-term immunity? B cell, T cell, D cell, endothelial cells. Time is up. May I know the answer, please? Hurry. All right. So the correct answer is T cell. So T cells target infected cells and stimulate other cells to be in action to kill the infection. Children, I told you that there is no negative marking. Okay, so don't let any question go like this. Okay, next turn is for Nilgiri House. Nilgiri House, choose your question.
Ma'am, 4. Question number 4.
Okay, right. So question number 4. Relation defined as R is equal to 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1 is a reflexive relation, symmetric relation, transitive relation, equivalence relation. Please unmute and speak the answer in the stipulated time.
Ma'am, symmetric
Yes,
relation.
please. Please speak the answer.
Symmetric relation.
Congratulations, you get 10 points. So turn for symbolic house.
Ma'am, question number 2.
Shivalik house. The device employed to measure the diameters of stars and our galaxy, that is Milky Way, is called photometer, barometer, viscometer, interferometer.
Ma'am,
Yes, answer please.
photometer. Option number A. Option number A, photometer.
Yes, please.
Option number A, photometer.
Option. Oh, I'm sorry, it's wrong. Let's have the correct answer. It's interferometer. Interferometer is an array of separate telescopes, mirror segments or radio telescopes, antennas that work together as single telescope to provide higher resolution images of astronomical objects. Never mind. Now we are left with question number 3 for Vindhya House. So Vindhya House, I hope you are ready. And here is your question. Okay. So which of the following is modified equation for de Broglie's wavelength? Choices are there. You can please read and then let me know the option. Yes, please. Clock has started.
Ma'am, it's D, all of these.
It's D all focus. De Broglie wavelength is the wavelength associated with an object and is related to its momentum and mass. So with this, we are over with appetizer part 1. So now we have appetizer part 2. Okay, this is the second part of appetizer round. Here you are going to have direct questions without any choices. Time to answer remains same, 15 seconds, and each correct answer is for 10 points. You must say something wrong or right. Okay, so now because it's part 2 of the same round, so we are going to go in reverse order. So the first choice is given to Vindhya House to choose their question.
Ma'am,
So
4.
Vindhya House, question number
4.
4. Okay. So here is your question. Name the networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks. It performs the traffic directing functions on the internet.
Transistor.
Please speak louder.
Transistor.
I'm sorry. Router. Turn for Shivalik House to choose their question.
Ma'am, question number 2.
Question number. Expand the given abbreviation laser.
Ma'am,
Yes, please.
ma'am, it is light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation.
Very good. It's light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Good. So turn for Nilgiri House to choose their question.
Ma'am, 1. Question number 1.
Okay. Question number 1. So here is your question. Which animal doesn't drink water in its entire life?
Ma'am, kangaroo.
Okay, just wait. Yes, please.
Ma'am, kangaroo rat.
That's the answer. 10 points. Great. So now we are left with Himalaya House and question number 3. So number of time radius of the third shell of the 8th atom as compared to that of radius of first shell is.
Ma'am, 9 times.
Correct answer. 9 times as compared to the radius of first shell. 10 points. So now we are moving on to second round. This is pick picture perfect. Okay, it's a picture round. In this round, you have to identify the picture and time limit 15 seconds, and correct identification will give you 10 points. So this is the first picture has to be selected by Himalaya House. Please go for your choice.
Ma'am, picture 5.
Picture number 5. Okay. This is the technology used to computerize models to simulate the human thought process in complex situations where the answers may be ambiguous and uncertain. Just wait. May I have the answer, please? I'm sorry. Let's have the correct answer. It's cognitive computing technology. Turn for Nilgiri House to choose their picture.
I'm picture 2.
Picture number 2. Okay. Given below is a PV graph. Calculate the work done for the cyclic process ABCDA in liter atmosphere.
I'm 8.
Can you repeat?
8.
8 liter atmosphere. Calculations. Get 10 points. Good time. Symbolic count. Please choose the picture.
Ma'am, picture number 3.
Picture number 3. Okay. So which principle could be used to explain the fizzing in soda bottle?
Ma'am, carbonation.
Carbonation. I'm sorry, let's. It was principle. So it's Lee Chatterjee's principle. Never mind.
Picture 1.
Picture 1. So identify this missile recently launched by DRDO.
Sagarika.
I'm sorry, let's have. Correct answer is Rudram 1. It is the first indigenous anti-radiation missile. Thank you. With this, come to end of round 2. So let's have the scores, please. So we have the scores here. Himalaya is at 10 points, Nilgiri 30, Shivalik 10, Vindhya House 10. Never mind, still there is lot to go and lot to score. So we have our next round, that is brainstorming round. It is number-based round that is based on mathematics. In this round, you will get 30 seconds to answer, and the correct answer will give you 10 points. You must be having paper, pen to calculate. So please take your time. Don't miss out. Okay, so here, the first turn goes to Himalaya House to choose their question. Yes, please. Himalaya House.
Ma'am, we would take question number 2.
Question number 2. Okay. Okay, this is your question number 2. A couple organized a get-together by inviting few of their friends and relatives. During the party, there were 120 handshakes. If every person shook hands with every other person, how many guests were present in the get-together? May I have the answer, please? Let's have the answer, please. Correct answer. So correct answer is 14. Okay, now is the turn for Nilgiri House to choose the question.
Ma'am, question number 3.
What is the value of tan A if A is the angle between y is equal to sine x and y is equal to cos x? May I have the answer, please?
Ma'am, A is equal to X.
Let's have the correct answer, please. The correct answer is 2 under root 2. Never mind. Okay, turn for
Ma'am, question number 1.
Shivalik House. Question number 1. Okay. Two friends in a conversation give a statement about something. What are the chances that they will contradict each other if one speaks truth in 60% cases and the other speaks a lie in 50% cases?
One by two.
1 by 2. Perfect. Congratulations. All right, for Vindhya House, we are left with question number 4. So here is your question. If a plane passing through point 2, 1, 1 and is perpendicular to the line x minus 1 over 3 is equal to y minus 1 over 0 is equal to z minus 1 over 4, then its perpendicular distance from the origin is
Root 3 units.
3 units. Let's have the
Root
The correct answer is 2 units. All right. So now we come to round. Basically, this is a round where you have to show the connects between different pictures or videos. Okay. So please observe them carefully. They may be displayed once together or one by one, right? So again, I give the turn to Himalaya House first. After that, we will go in reverse order. So this is the turn for Himalaya House.
Connect 3 1.
Connect 3. Okay, so here are 4 pictures. What is common among them? Can you just connect them?
Ma'am, it's square
Yes,
of 11.
please. Just explain the pictures and show me the connect then. You have to be clear. I can't hear you properly.
Roots of 11.
All right. I can't give you that much time. Pascal, the picture was of Blaise Pascal, and you saw a small machine. It is called arithmetic machine, invented by him. Then there was a triangle in the form of numbers. It is called Pascal's triangle, and he gave the theory also of the probability. So this was the connect between Pascal. Turn for Degree House to choose.
Ma'am, connect 2.
Connect 2. three pictures. Okay, one is of aerofoil lift, then it is roofs of the huts or houses, then it's a Bunsen burner. What is the common principle followed in the three pictures?
Ma'am,
Yes, please. May I have
Bernoulli
Yes.
principle.
Speak again.
Bernoulli principle.
Bernoulli's principle. Let's have the answer. Wow, 10 marks. Congratulations. For Shivalik House, choose their connect.
Ma'am, connect 1.
Connect. So here you will see 3 videos and you have to find out what do you find common in them, in the sense you may have some concept or principle or phenomena. Please have a look.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
ma'am,
Can I have the
internal
answer?
reflection. Internal reflection.
Internal. Can you just explain a little more? You're near to it.
Ma'am, it's total internal reflection.
Perfect answer. Very good. The correct answer is total. Okay, so you are able to see 3 pictures. Can you tell me the connect between them? Vindhya House. What the 3 pictures are all about? Yes, please.
Ma'am, it's Apple Macintosh operating software.
Perfect answer. They have the correct answer once. Okay. 10 points in the house. Okay. Apple inclusive. Okay, so now we move on to our text round, that is decoding round. So decoding round, as the name itself is showing. So this round is based on questions for computer science. Again, time is 15 seconds. Correct. 10 points. And now we are going to go in reverse order. So first chance will be given to Vindhya House to choose their question. Yes, Vindhya House?
Refresh.
Refresh. All right. The chart depicts 6-digit RGB color for HTML. What is the 6-digit code of black color?
Ma'am, it's 00 RGB 000.
Perfect answer. 10 points. It's 000. 000. It is also called. Next turn for Shivalik House to choose their question.
Ma'am, icon.
Icon, okay. All right. This application is the integral part of MS Office. Name the software.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Microsoft Word.
No.
Okay, let's have the correct answer, please. So the correct answer, Microsoft Access. So turn for Nilgiri House to choose.
Ma'am, desktop done.
Desktop done. Name this famous programming language of modern era.
Python.
Okay, let's have the correct answer. Points. So the correct answer is Python. Okay. Now we are left the last question explored. Okay. Name this programmable PCB used in robotics.
Ma'am, it's motherboard.
Yes, please speak again.
Ma'am, motherboard.
Motherboard. Oh, that's not the right answer. It's Arduino Uno. So, okay, never mind. Still, there is more to go. Let's have the scores now once. Oh, very good. So, Nilgiri is leading with 50 points. Shivalik and Vindhya with 30 points each. Himalaya has still to catch up with 10 points. No problem. Still, there is many more rounds. Okay, so now the next round is video round. 10 seconds to answer, 10 points for the correct answer. So please take care and look at the video carefully. All right. So Vindhya House, this round is named Drishyam. Okay. So first of all, Vindhya House is going to choose. Yes, Vindhya House.
Video 3.
Video 3. Okay. phenomena due to which particles move away as soon as the finger comes in contact with the solution.
Surface tension.
Surface tension. So here, when the finger comes in contact without but the dishwash liquid, it reduces the surface tension of the water. Good. So 10 points. Shivalik House?
Ma'am, video 2.
Video 2. State the phenomena due to which screw, grape, cork, and sponge settle at different levels. Yes, please. May I have the answer? Yes.
Ma'am, the different solutions in the water have different densities. That's why they go and sink.
Good. Let's have the answer. So this is due to difference in densities of the three immiscible liquids. Screw, grape, cork, sponge also have different densities. That is why they settle at different places in the liquids. Okay. So next, house, please choose.
5.
Which one? Speak again.
Video 5.
Video 5. Okay. Why are the bubbles formed on the egg when it was dipped in the liquid?
Calcium carbonate turns into carbon dioxide.
Just yes, please.
The calcium carbonate turns to carbon dioxide gas.
Okay, so you say calcium carbonate is producing what?
Carbon dioxide gas.
Carbon dioxide. Perfect. Bubbles are formed because of carbon dioxide when calcium carbonate reacts. And now the turn for Himalaya House.
I'm number 4.
Question goes like this. Why does jelly get attracted towards a magnet?
It's because of the iron fillings.
Perfect answer, 10 points. The jelly contains iron fillings. That is why it is getting attracted towards the magnet. Very good. So now we have very interesting round. The name of the round is Khulja Sim Sim. This round is a clue round. And it will keep on decreasing. So please be careful. Here you will not be given any extra time. If you do not get the answer from the first clue, please ask for the second clue. But if the time is up, then you will not get any points for it. And even if after the first clue you give the answer and the answer is wrong, then there will be no second chance for it. You're most welcome to quickly ask for the second clue also. I hope I'm clear with it. All right. So turn for Vindhya House. Please choose your options.
Option 3.
Vindhya House. Option 3. Okay. All right. So she is an eminent scientist whose husband and daughter have also won Nobel Prize.
Marie Curie.
Perfect. Madam Marie Curie. Good. All right. Turn for Shivalik House.
Option 1.
Option. Clue 1. His birthday is declared as World's Students' Day by UN.
Clue.
Yes. You want clue 2?
Ma'am, Abdul Kalam.
Let's have the answer. Congratulations. 15 points. So here we have the picture of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Good going.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So Nilgiri House, please choose your option.
Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, Nilgiri House, please choose.
Option 4.
Famous mathematician who gave us the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab.
Ma'am, next clue.
The first person to say that Earth is spherical and it revolves around the sun. Will you answer or next clue?
Ma'am, next clue.
Found out that the number of days in a year is 365. Yes, please.
Pythagoras.
Let's have the correct answer. It's Aryabhat, the great Indian astronomer and mathematician. Return for Himalaya House, and you are left with option 2. So clue 1, he discovered the evidence of the quantum nature of the light by observing the scattering of light. Yes. You want to give answer or you want to? Okay. First Asian and non-white individual to win a Nobel Prize in Science.
C.V. Raman.
Good. You get 10 points. So it is. Let's have the answer, please. So it's Sir C.V. Raman. Okay, now let's have the scores, please. Very good. Nilgiri is leading with 60, Shivalik 55, Vindhya 55, Himalaya 30. Still there is time to catch up. All right. So this is your jackpot round. So first turn I'm going to give to all right. So it is basically a jackpot round, and where you have to match the columns, okay? And so you have to match the columns. There are 4 options to be matched. If you match all correct, one option will give you 5 marks. So total is for 20. If you match all correct, it will be doubled to 40. But if it is incorrect in between, then as many you scored, that will be the score for you. Okay? So turn for Himalaya House to please choose.
Ma'am, what is the time limit in this round?
Time limit is 20 seconds.
I'm number 3.
All right. So can we start? Please speak your answer.
I'm steam engine James Watt.
Steam and okay.
Dynamo
Next.
Michel Faraday.
Okay.
Kerosgraph Paulson.
All right.
And tape recorder Hargobind Khurana.
Sorry. So you've done 2 correct. So you get 10 points. So here you have correct match. Tape recorder Paulson, Crasograph Jesse Bose, Steam engine James Watt, Dynamo Michael Faraday.
Ma'am, 4.
All right. All right, can we start the matching?
Ma'am, number of platonic solids 5.
Okay.
Number of real zeros of x cube minus 1, 1.
Okay.
Number of arbitrary constants in a differential equation 3.
Okay.
And ma'am, D option is 2.
Points. Let's have the correct answers, please. Done. So number of platonic solids 5, number of real zeros of x cube minus 1, 1, number of arbitrary constants in a differential equation of order 3. So D is 2. Absolutely correct. So you get jackpot, that is 40 points. Turn for Shuolik House.
Ma'am, scramble 2.
Scramble 2. Yes, please. All right, can we start?
Ma'am, discovery of Avogadro number, L media Avogadro.
Yes. All right. No, you start from column A. You have to speak
So,
first
ma'am,
column A, then column B.
Okay, ma'am, so
Speak again.
Almeida Avogadro,
Yes.
discovery of Avogadro number.
Okay.
Then
and
Charles Darwin.
Stephen Hawking wrote the brief history of time.
Okay.
Ma'am, Charles Darwin for a theory of evolution. Ma'am, can we? G.N. Lewis is for concept of covalent bond.
Perfect. So you got 3 right, so 30 points. Sorry, you got 15 points. 3 correct, 15 points. Okay, so you can see here Almeida Avogadro, he discovered existence of elements and molecules. Stephen Hawking, famous physicist, wrote the brief history of time. Charles Darwin, theory of evolution. G.N. Lewis, concept of covalent bond. So each correct match was for 5 marks. You gave 3 right. All right, so now the last match, it is for win the house. So here are your match, please. Okay, start.
Highest melting point is tungsten.
Okay.
Heaviest metal is osmium.
Okay. You have to be quick.
Transmission of low signals is sodium ion.
Okay.
Vitamin B12 is cobalt ion.
Okay, so you get 3 correct, 15 points. So here you can see the correct match: vitamin B12, cobalt ion, transmission of nerve signals, sodium ions, highest melting point, diamond, and heaviest metal, osmium. All right. Of our SMC quiz 2020. So before we go for the final scores, as we are commemorating the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, so here are few questions for the audience. A picture is going to be displayed, the picture of statue of Vallabhbhai Patel. So there are few questions for the audience here. The audience has to raise their hands. All right. So the first question for the audience is, what is the height of Statue of Unity? The statue is named as Statue of Unity. What is the height?
$192 meters.
So Dhruv Deora, please answer.
192 meters.
I'm sorry, it's not 192. Okay, there is another. Ade Charda, will you try?
Ma'am, 182.
182, perfect answer. So you will get a gift hamper for it. So 182 meters is the correct height. It is the tallest statue. This height was decided to match the number of assembly constituencies in the state. All right. Next question. How much time was taken to build this statue? I repeat my question. How much time was taken to build this statue? Please raise your hands. All right, Samarth Kharbanda.
Approximately
Answer, please.
57 months. 57 months.
57? 57 months. I'm sorry, no. The total time taken to build this statue was 33 months. All right. Next question, open for the audience. Why is it named Statue of Unity? I would like to give chance to somebody else. Again, Adichada is there, but right, let's give chance to somebody else also. Yes, please. Why is it named Statue of Unity? If nobody will be there, then we'll give chance to Adichada. Yeah, anybody from the staff can answer. It's free for all. Open to all. All right. All right, I'll give chance to Adil Sharda. He was the first one to raise the hand. Adil, will you answer, beta?
Yes, ma'am, because Sardar Vallabhbhai
Yes.
Patel was pioneer of unity of India. He united the princely states as well as the states that were going towards Pakistan and got them back to India, and he united. So he was also called the Iron Man, and so the name was given to the statue as Statue of Unity.
Wonderful answer. Very good. So this name is dedicated to the Iron Man, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is credited with uniting all the 562 princely states in pre-independent India to build the Republic of India. Hence, the name was given. Very good. Okay, last question. Open to the audience. Where is the Statue of Unity located in Gujarat? Samarth will answer this question. Will you try, beta?
Near Sardar Sarovar Dam.
Yeah, it's on Narmada River. It's facing Sardar Sarovar Dam, and the exact location is there is a small town named Kevadia. It's in Gujarat. So with this, we come to an end to the quiz. Let's have the final scores. So the final scores, we have Nilgiri leading with 100 points. Congratulations. Shivalik, Vindhya both on 70 and Himalaya on 40. So the positions are like this. First, Nilgiri. Second placed, Shivalik and Vindhya House. And fourth place goes to Himalaya House. So now, I just call upon Mr. Delu for vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the Science, Maths and Computer faculties, I would first of all like to thank our worthy headmaster, Mr. Himmat Dhillon, for his words of encouragement and the lovely message which he gave in the beginning of the quiz. I would also like to thank the audience for their participation and also for witnessing this event. I hope all of you liked it as much as we liked putting it for you people. Congratulations to all the participants who could make to the final of this first virtual science, maths and computer quiz after clearing the screening rounds. However, special congratulations to the winners, Nilgiri House. Before signing off, I would like to thank my colleagues from the Science, Maths and Computer faculties who worked very hard to present this quiz for you. Special thanks goes to Mrs. Anuradha Sharma, the quiz mistress for the day, Dr. Gautam Mandal and Mr. Subhash Thakur, who put this lovely quiz for all of you. Believe me, it was a very difficult task when we started it, but all of them worked very hard to do it. Special thanks also to Mr. Dinesh Sabarwal for putting the lovely video dedicating to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in the beginning of the quiz. I would also like to thank Mr. Manish Ghai and Mr. Ashish Gupta for keeping the scores. Thanks to Mr. Deepak Pant, Mr. Deepak Sharma, Mr. Kanwar and Mr. Mayank Sharma for being the observers for the quiz. Finally, I would like to thank the computer department and all its members for the IT support which they gave during the quiz. Thanks also to Mr. R.P. Gautam, who gave valuable inputs for conducting this quiz. Thank you, everyone, and have a good day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you all for your patient listening and your participation in this quiz. See you all next year in 2021. Hope we come face to face and have a live session in this quiz. Thank you all once again.